I will
All right.
tell you what to write.
All right. Okay.
So I'm asking you. You're not gonna write down nothing. I will tell you when to write.
Okay. All right.
Yes. So do you have the $200 with you now at home?
Do I have what? Oh, 200, the 200. Oh,
Do you?
what I wrote down here, the $200.
Yes. Do
$200.
do
Yeah.
you have it at
Yeah,
home?
I do have it. Yeah.
All right. So listen, what you're gonna do. Now you're gonna write. I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna write, so you write it down. All right. This is
Okay.
what you're gonna write down now.
Okay.
Yes. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell
Yes.
you what to write.
I'm going to
Yes. You're gonna write
tell
vanilla.
you
Va-
what
listen.
to
Hello. Lord God.
write.
You don't need to write that. What's wrong with you?
Vanilla. Did you say vanilla?
That's the only thing you need to write. It seems like everything I said to you, you write it down. You're wasting my time.
You're wasting my